Hey folks, Randy here, Dulin Cut and Trim. So, honestly, man, I didn't really do a vlog this week, I guess. I mean, what I do barely counts as a vlog anyway. But between the holiday at the beginning of the week and then, like I've mentioned, my son has some special needs problems, and one of them is a randomly occurring sleep issue. And so his sleep has just been absolutely insane this week, and I just kind of had to focus on getting everything done. So I don't even remember what I recorded. When I go to upload this to my software, I'll see, and we'll find out what I got. But yeah, didn't do a whole heck of a lot this week as far as recording. So what is there? I hope you enjoy, and go from there. So, got some maintenance I need to do on the mower, and I got this pack of goodies. Let's see what's in box number one. Oh, score. Oil filter. Yeah, we're actually getting close to needing to change the oil. Yeah, we're at 46 hours so far on the meter, so need to change the oil this week. Don't have oil on me, so I'm not going to do it today. Score. New spark plug, fuel filter, fuel line clamps, a new air filter, and a new fuel shutoff. That's actually pretty nice, because my fuel shutoff actually started leaking when it's in the closed position. Alright, I don't know what's going on with that spark plug, but I don't like it. What do you think? Time for a new one? This one has actually got the pre-filter. I think that's what it's called. That actually helps the filter stay good longer, because it catches a lot of the dust, and this part's cleanable. So, the problem we're having is that the washers, this being one of them, are disintegrating on this thing. And so it's making so the wheels have too much play back and forth. So we got to fix that problem. And I couldn't find anything that was wide enough at Home Depot, so for a temporary fix we're going to use PVC. So, to give you an idea of what the problem is, take that out. pin back in. You see all that? Goes in and out like that. So what I want to do is make a PVC washer. Honestly, I kind of want to make 2 of them. Yeah, that fits. Got a feeling that's too big. Yep, that's just a little too big. This does. Alright. It's as close to perfect as we're going to get. It's not good, but it's better. At least until I get the correct ones. Whoops. Come on. I'm just gonna be honest, guys. That's the Sulky from, or Velky, whatever the 2-wheel one is, from Bradley or Havener Enterprises. And you know, it was cheap initially, but honestly, it's not good, man. I mean, I think I bought it for $175 on Amazon. The tires lasted about 2 months. And I kept replacing them until I finally had to get no flat tires. The no flat tires cost me a total of $150, but I also spent another $100 in replacement tires before that. It's got kind of a design flaw. The platform, the only thing holding the platform on is this pin. That's all. And I can tell you, in owning this thing for 2 years almost, that pin is broken on me twice. And you know, exactly what you think would happen is what happens. You know, the mower keeps going and you stop and you go face first into the dirt. A lot of the grease fittings are either broken or are broken, either gone or like they broke off, or they don't work anymore and the grease just squirts right back out. I've had the mechanism that holds it onto the deck, or onto the frame. I've actually had to replace the springs and that whole assembly twice since I've owned it. I mean, it gets the job done, but you know, you really are kind of getting what you pay for. I mean, I know you'd have to do maintenance on the nicer ones, but you know, initial investment $175, but I probably put another $300 into this thing since then. So just something to keep in mind.